Yes. So now the next series in which you have to write the answer, one word answer. So it can be in MCQ also. Write type of pandas. Which type of pandas is used to store two-dimensional data? So answer will be data frame. You can see the answer, data frame. Next, which function is used to take input in Python? Input function is only used to take input. So here the answer will be input function. Next, which function is used to display output? Print is used to display output. So answer will be print. You can see the correct answer. It is showing here. Next, which function of pandas is used to create one dimensional? So series, it can be. Now here, for both the answers, you are getting marks. So capital S. But if in the question it is written one word answer in lowercase, you should write always in small letter. If the answer, as directed in the question, we will write the answers. So here, you all
मैम
might have written, for both you will get marks. Any doubt?
जो फंक्शंस है प्रिंट सीरीज और डेटा फ्रेम उसमें पेरेंथेसिस लगा दिए तो वो इनकरेक्ट हो जाएगा।
अच्छा, तुमने इसमें पैरेंथेसिस लगा दिया है, ठीक है। फिर उसके आंसर में वो ऐड करना पड़ेगा हमको पैरेंथेसिस को, ठीक है। तो इसमें फिर हम लोग विच टाइप ऑफ पांडास, ये तो टाइप है, इसको छोड़ देते हैं।
यस मैम,
हाँ,
फंक्शन
विच
में।
फंक्शन में तुमने इसमें इनपुट भी लिखा है, तो हम इसमें फिर इनपुट में हम उसको भी डाल देते हैं ताकि तुम्हारा वो फिर करेक्ट हो जाए, ठीक है। पैरेंथेसिस, वेरी गुड। पैरेंथेसिस भी, हाँ, कोई स्टूडेंट अगर इसमें पैरेंथेसिस डाल देगा। नेक्स्ट, इसमें भी प्रिंट में भी हम पैरेंथेसिस डाल देते हैं, तो ये भी सही हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट, दोनों आंसर सही हो जाएंगे, विदाउट पैरेंथेसिस, विद पैरेंथेसिस। नाउ दिस इज ऑल्सो फंक्शन, सो in small letter they have asked here only one word answer. So in this case, without parenthesis, you can write okay. If you have written the complete syntax, if you have written syntax is like this. Actually in the question it was written one word answer here, so this is okay. Now next one is your, which function of pandas is used to create two-dimensional? So data frame you will write. Now here one word answer in lowercase. Normally data frame function D and F is capital. D and F is capital. So here what we are doing is, if you are mentioning function here, so I will write then with parenthesis. If you want to write then data frame. Data frame with parenthesis. So this also it will give marks. Next, which of the following thing can be data in pandas? In pandas, your scalar. So this is same question. Your dictionary, ND array and scalar, all three. So all of the above. Next, this we have already done. This you leave it. So this is over. Now we will start with data frame.